Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the list icons in Google Maps. So first you're going to open up the app, and this is how it's going to appear when you open it up, and then you're going to go into your lists. Yeah, your list will be there. Mine would be under travel plans, and yeah, so basically there's a space here and you can fill in whichever emoji you'd like. Over here, let's say over here you want to fill in an emoji, you can choose any of the emojis from the list. That's a lot of emojis. And the second one, like maybe you have a simple emoji that you'd like to choose. Over here you can only choose 5. As you can see, these are the 5 you can choose from, so you can choose from either of those. So yeah guys, that's basically the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos.